Hello everyone, welcome to Node.js online programming tutorial series from W3 Grads. In this video, I will talk about event emitter in Node.js. So, let's get started. The core of Node.js is event-driven programming. In Node.js, you can achieve event-driven programming with the event emitter class. Node.js allows you to create and handle custom events easily by using events module. The events module includes event emitter class, which can be used to raise and handle custom events. With an event emitter class, you can simply raise a new event from a different part of an application, and a listener will listen to the raised event and have some action performed for the event. Now, if you have to create an event emitter object, you need to import the events module. So, I have already opened my Sublime text editor, where I have already created a file named eventemitter.js. Here, I will add a comment, import events module. Then, in the next line, I will write, var events, and set it equal to the require function, and then pass events in single quotes inside the parentheses. So, this step is a usual step to import any module in your application, which we have seen in previous lectures. Once you have imported the events module, you can create the object of event emitter class by using this events reference. So, I will go to the next line, and include a comment, creating an event emitter object. Then, in the next line, I will type, var event emitter equal to new, events.eventEmitter, and parentheses. This is a way to create an event emitter object in Node.js. When an event emitter instance faces any error, it emits an error event. When a new listener is added, a new listener event is fired, and when a listener is removed, a remove listener event is fired. Event emitter provides multiple methods like on and emit. The on method is used to bind a function with the event, and the emit method is used to fire an event. Now, let me show you the example of using the on and emit function. I will go back to the editor, and just below the statement for creating an object of event emitter class, I will add another comment as subscribe for first event. Then, in the next line, I will use the event emitter object reference, and call the on method. The on method requires name of the event to handle, and a callback function, which is called, when an event is raised. So, I am going to give the name of event as, event1 in single quotes. Then, I will give it a second argument as, function, parentheses, and data, as a function parameter. After that, I will go inside the function body, and include a console.log statement, and pass the literal string as, first subscriber, in double quotes. Then, outside the double quotes, I will concatenate the function parameter, data. Now that I have subscribed for an event, I will write the statement to raise the event. So, I will add a comment, raising first event. Then, in the next line, I will again use the event emitter object reference, and call the emit function. This emit function raises the specified event. This function includes the first parameter, which is the name of the event as a string, and then the arguments. An event can be emitted with 0 or more arguments. You can specify any name for a custom event in the emit function. So, I am going to specify the name of the event as, event1 in single quotes, and add another argument as, Node.js event emitter example1, also wrapped in single quotes. In this way, you can raise the specified event in Node.js. Another important thing to note here is that, you can also use Addlistener methods to subscribe for an event. So, just below the statement to subscribe the first event, I will write another statement to subscribe a second event. So, I will use the event emitter object reference, and call the Addlistener method. This method also takes two parameters, where the first is the name of the event, and second is the listener. Therefore, I will give the name as, event2 in single quotes. In the second parameter, I will define a callback function which takes a parameter named data. Then, within the function body, I will include a console.log statement, and pass the literal string as, second subscriber, wrapped in double quotes, and outside these, I will concatenate the function parameter, data. Now, I can raise this second event in the same way as I did in case of the first event. So, I will select the entire statement for raising event1, then copy it, and paste it just below that. Then, I will edit the comment first, and replace first with second. Similarly, I will make changes in the statement as well. So, instead of event1, I will write event2 in the first parameter. Also, in the second parameter, I will change the text, example1, to example2. So, this is another way of subscribing the event using Addlistener method. Now, I will run the program to see the output. So, I will go to the search bar, and type cmd, and press enter. This will open my command prompt window. Here, I will need to navigate to the test folder in C drive, so I will type cd / and press enter. Then, in the next prompt, I will type cd space test, and press enter again. So, now I am in the test folder in C drive, where my event emitter.js file is present. In the next prompt, I will type node space event emitter.js, and press enter. I will see the output as first subscriber, Node.js event emitter example 1, and second subscriber, Node.js event emitter example 2. So, this is how you can subscribe and raise any custom events in Node.js using the event emitter class. With this, I will conclude this first part of event emitter video. In the next part, I will tell you about the important methods and events of the event emitter class. I hope you have understood the event emitter well. So, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more interesting uploads. Thank you for watching this video.